Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And I happen to have this 3 cleansers from Neutrogena already at my home. Wanted to clarify that I love giving reviews, but at the same time investing my money in products not worth is actually useless. It's first of all wasting my money, secondly I'm contributing to the waste, and as a blogger I need to take care of that as well. So yeah, let's start off with the review of Neutrogena cleansers. Now the first cleanser which I have is the Deep Clean Foaming Cleanser. Now this is a deep clean foaming cleanser. That means it actually helps you extract the deep oil seated in your skin, and this is highly damaging, I would say. I mean, I invested in this when I was in my earlier years. Yeah, I did invest in this in 2018, and my family member used to love it, but now we have stopped using it. This is quite drying and it actually strips the last bit of moisture from your skin. I tested it along with water and you could see the foam, and yeah, it foams heavily, and when you wash it off you are left with a dry dehydrated skin, and I would absolutely not recommend this face wash to any of you over there. So yeah. Now the second cleanser is one of the most popular among teenagers. This is the oil-free acne cleanser, and I actually liked a lot because I have used a lot of this cleanser. As you could see from the bottle, it has 2% salicylic acid. It has a little bit of perfume and it has a little bit of pigment, but considering the fact that this is a cleanser, it is okay. And I won't say like this is very promising, but yeah, this is like absolutely fine to go because it foams heavily, stays for quite a long time. Like one bottle at least will stay with you for 3 to 4 months. It is popular among teenagers, and considering the fact that we are already running low on our resources, I think this is kind of a okay cleanser. But yeah, make sure to use a moisturizer after using this face wash. Now the third product is this extra gentle cleanser. Now if you are new to non-foaming cleansers, this is one of its kind, and you need a little bit more for this product because it doesn't foam at all, and you need to get used to it because you might be feeling a bit uncomfortable in the starting, but then it is very good cleanser. It actually is recommended by dermatologists. It is fragrance free, it is non-comedogenic, it is hypoallergenic, it is soap free, it is dye free, it contains very minimal ingredients, comes at a price of 600. I grabbed it for a sale in Nykaa, and then it contains glycerin, water, citral alcohol, which are highly hydrating. I tested this on a pH scale and it performed pretty well. It was close to our acid mantle of our face, and then I tested it with water to see if it foamed or not, but it doesn't foam along with water as well. So I would absolutely recommend this cleansers to all of you over there because it leaves a very hydrating feel on your face, and my skin really feels very plumped and moisturized after I use it. Now I saw a lot of comments regarding its cleansing property, and so I wanted to test it. So yeah, I just applied BB cream onto my face. Oh, please neglect that uninvited guest on my face. And yeah, I cleansed it thoroughly with this face wash, and let's see how it turned out. So I cleansed my face thoroughly with this face wash, and I was pretty impressed with the result because it didn't leave any such marks on the cotton swab after I had completely washed my face. So yeah, I'm gonna use this face wash for quite a long time. I did use this one as well, and it was kind of okay face wash, and I hope this video was helpful to few of you over there. And if you found it helpful in any way, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also like the video, share with your friends and family. That would mean a lot to me. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.